Hello, everybody. Are you ready to hear a story? All right, today I'm going to tell you the story about a beaver and how he got its tail. Are you ready? Okay, once upon a time, there was a beaver that loved to brag about his tail. One day, while taking the walk, the beaver stopped to talk to a bird. Why, don't you love my fluffy tail? He asked the bird. Don't you wish your feathers were as fluffy as my tail? Don't you wish your feathers were as strong as my tail? Don't you wish your feathers were just as beautiful as my tail? Asked the beaver. Why do you think so much of your little tail? The red bird asked. This insulted the beaver and he walked away. After walking for a while, he stopped for a drink by the river and saw a muskrat. He walked to the muskrat and said, Hello, little muskrat. What do you think about my tail? Fluffy. Well, it is a very beautiful and big and fluffy tail, answered the muskrat. Is it also a strong tail? Why, yes, it is, the beaver answered. Do you wish you had a tail like mine? I didn't say I wanted a tail like yours. I just asked if it was strong, said the muskrat. The beaver quickly turned and began to walk away to his dam. He was very upset and decided to take out his frustrations by cutting down a big tree. After cutting down a couple of trees, he came to a very large one. He knew it would be a great challenge for him, so he went to it. But as he was cutting down, he kept thinking about his tail and did not realize he was cutting at a bad angle. And before he knew what was happening, the tree came falling down and landed on his beautiful tail. He quickly tried to jump out of the way, but was unable to. He tugged and he pulled and finally was free of the tree. But when he finally looked at his tail, it was flat. He pulled his tail out of the tree and was very sad and started to cry. As he was crying, he heard the Creator. Why are you crying? Asked the Creator. A tree has crushed my beautiful tail, cried the beaver. Now no one will like me. The Creator told him that a beaver is not liked for his tail, but for his kindness and wisdom. He also told him not how he could use his tail. Now your tail will help you swim rapidly, the Creator said. And when you want to signal a message to a friend, all you have to do is slap your tail on the water. Hearing this, the beaver was happy again. When the animals saw his flattened tail, they were shocked. But the beaver said, It is better this way. From that day on, the beaver never bragged about his tail, and all the animals liked him. That is how the beaver got his flat tail. The end.